Okay, welcome back. Now we are going to start the second phase of this journey, and that is off-page SEO. This is a very important aspect of SEO, and it is not a one-off, it is a complete journey. Okay. Before I talk about this concept, let's understand a basic philosophy. Okay, this is called the philosophy of strength or the betterment. As you can see, the people are running, or maybe it is a race. Okay, consider this is a race. Okay, now a person A is clearly winning this race because he is in front of everybody and he is doing great. Now in this race I'm happen to be at the last. Okay, so for me to be a number one, I have to beat all of these people, or in other words, I have to be better than all these people, and I should have more strength to be at the point A, and then I have to be better than a person A in order to win. Okay, having just enough strength is not enough. Okay, now let's use the same analogy for website ranking. In search engines, when people search for particular keyword and their list of websites appear, a website that is on number one position is clearly have more strength or good contents. So if I want to be on number one position in search results, I have to be better than the first website, or my contents needs to be excellent. Okay, so this is a half part of the philosophy. So if I want to be a number one on the Google search result, I must have excellent contents. Okay, so that is a half part. Now let's go for the second part of this philosophy, and this is philosophy of endorsements. Now in election, how we decide the electoral candidate has won the election? A person who happens to receive most of the votes wins the election. Okay, or in other words, a person who happens to receive more following or endorsements wins the election. The same analogy we can use for the website. A website that is appearing on the number one position in search result will have most of the following. A website that will be on the second ranking position will have less following, so on and so forth. Okay, so if we want to be on a number one position for a certain keyword, we must have a strong following. Means we must have a following from other websites as endorsements, and that will tell Google that people have confidence, or the websites have a confidence in our website. This is also called backlinking. Okay, a good quality websites, they will be passing you the link juice through your web link, and this is how you receive endorsement. Okay, so that is the second part. The first part was you must have good content or excellent content. The second part, you must have good following. Okay, now let's combine this both. Now if you want to be number one on Google search results, first you must have excellent contents, and secondly you must have a good following. Okay, remember this simple rule: honey always attract bees. If your contents are excellent, you are using diversity in contents like images, videos, infographics, slides, documents, etc., etc., and surely giving value, other website will surely connect to your website, which means they will pass link juice. And the more websites will connect to you, again the relevant websites, you will receive something called authority, and Google will give you reward for this. And the reward of the Google is pretty much, it will push your website on a number one position in the search results for particular keywords. Okay, so this is just a basic philosophy behind off-page SEO. Backlinking, people will always come to you, and if not, there are other strategies you can use to get backlinks. Okay, and those are my secret weapons, which I will be discussing with you in coming slides. Okay, so let's move on.